I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a door handle on this Rangemaster cooker. If you can no longer open your door, or your door handle is cracked or broken, then you'll need to replace the handle. Safety first, always disconnect an appliance before carrying out any work. And here we have the door handle that we're going to be replacing. As you can see, it's coming away from the oven door, making it difficult to open the door. To do that, I have to open the one on the side and then use the side of the door to open it. Now what I need to do is to separate the inner and the outer door by undoing the 4 screws, 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. With all the screws removed, I'm now going to just separate the 2 parts of the door, being very careful to remember that there's glass inside the door. I can now put it on top of the cooker and take the handle off. To remove the door handle, I just need to remove the 2 nuts either side by using a nut spinner. You could use a pair of pliers for this as well. There's also 2 washers behind the nuts, so make sure you grab those as well. Grab your new door handle, put it in its position, and then simply fit the washers and then the nuts. With the door handle firmly fitted to the outer door, I can now refit the outer door to the inner oven door. Once you're happy that the 2 pieces of the door are in position, you can then refit the screws. So there we have it, 1 new door handle fitted to this Rangemaster cooker. Remember, spares and accessories for all the appliances around your home can be found on the eSpares website. Thanks for watching.